What is the world's most populated country?
India.
No.
China.
Yes.
Be the second one.
What is the only word in the English language that does not rhyme?
Orange?
Yes.
Orange.
Which bird's eyes are larger than its brain?
Eagles.
Ostrich?
Ostrich is correct.
Full of knowledge.
Which ancient people worshipped cats?
Egypt.
Yes. It's just a little faster. What were Mickey Mouse's first words?
Mickey Mouse.
No. It's a food.
Hot dog.
Yeah.
Dog. Hot dog. Hot diggity dog.
Yeah, there it is.
I'm American. I don't know what Mickey.
In what sport and at what level is the Heisman Trophy awarded?
Football.
Yes, but what level?
High school football?
No.
College?
College is correct.
I got $5.